Cannellelademoiselle in Paris, France. Chapter 1. Meeting Candy the Kitten. Cannelle is a brave and determined little girl. It is her first day in Paris. While walking in Le Marais, she suddenly notices a small black and white ball beneath a distant bench. Cannelle goes up to this little squirming shape and is amazed to discover that it's a kitten. What a surprise! As she loves cats, she caresses it and speaks reassuringly to it. "This little cat must be about 2 months old," says her mother. Cannelle begs her to let her keep the kitten, at least during their time in Paris. Turning red with temper, Cannelle doesn't take long to convince her mother, who would be ready to even bring the moon to her. So it is decided. Cannelle gets to keep the cat. She names it Candy the Kitten. Happy with its newfound family, the kitten meows and purrs loudly. Candy is special. His 2 unique features are quite long whiskers and mismatched eyes, one of them turquoise and the other bright green, just like Cannelle's emerald green eyes.
Merci à notre guest surprise. Certains l'auront reconnu. Merci à notre invité surprise.